welcome back to my YouTube channel in Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're bringing you the best in luxury, power, and performance. And what's on the agenda? One of the most iconic SUVs in the world, the Mercedes-AMG G63. This is the SUV that screams rugged design, unmatched performance, and pure luxury. It's the ultimate status symbol that can handle any terrain you throw at it. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the design. The G63's look is unmistakably rugged, bold, and absolutely timeless. That iconic boxy shape, it's a nod to its military roots, but with some serious AMG upgrades. Right up front, you've got the signature Panamericana grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that are both aggressive and classy. Moving to the side, those massive 22-inch AMG alloy wheels and those side exit exhausts, they're pure performance. And the chrome accents, that's where elegance comes in. Oh, and Mercedes lets you customize this beast to your heart's content. From exclusive paint finishes to carbon fiber details, you can really make the G63 your own. Now, let's talk power, because under the hood lies the heart of this monster. A handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, putting out a jaw-dropping 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Pair that with a 9-speed automatic transmission, and you're looking at 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, this 5,800-pound SUV moves like a supercar. But wait, it's not just about speed. The G63 is built for the wild. It's got an AMG-tuned all-wheel drive system, 3 locking differentials, and an adjustable suspension. Whether you're rock climbing or tearing through sand dunes, the G63 is unstoppable. Alright, let's step inside, because this is where things get seriously luxurious. The cabin, it's next level. You've got premium Napa leather seats with AMG badging, carbon fiber trim, and that flat-bottom AMG steering wheel. It's a constant reminder that you're in something extraordinary. Then there's the Teca dual 12.3-inch displays, handle everything from your digital instrument cluster to infotainment. Powered by the MBUX interface, you've got navigation, voice commands, and everything else right at your fingertips. Oh, and the 64-color ambient lighting, it sets the vibe for every single drive. But don't think this is just about luxury, it's practical too. With spacious rear seats and plenty of cargo space, you can bring the whole family and their luggage. Features like heated and ventilated seats, a Burmester surround sound system, and wireless charging mean comfort is always a priority. When you're behind the wheel, the G63 is like no other SUV. That high seating position gives you a commanding view of the road, and despite its size, the AMG-tuned suspension makes it surprisingly agile. And the sound? Oh, that V8 roar from the side exhausts is music to any car lover's ears. So, what's the price tag for all of this? The Mercedes-AMG G63 starts at around $180,000. But with a few options, it can easily go over $200,000. Yeah, it's a hefty price, but it's worth it for the unmatched performance, luxury, and legacy this SUV brings. So, is the G63 worth it? If you're after an SUV that combines brute power, luxury, and off-road capability with iconic style, the answer is absolutely yes. This is a statement vehicle in every sense of the word. And that's a wrap for today's review of the Mercedes-AMG G63. What do you think of this beast? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more exciting reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.